All right, we are going to be solving this problem. Jeremy made a dozen chocolate chip cookies, then he ate some. There are 3/4 of the dozen left. How many cookies did he eat? Okay, so I'm gonna first start off by drawing a dozen cookies, and I'm gonna represent them by circles. Okay, so I have the 12 cookies. The important part in this problem is that I need to know that he ate some of them and then there were some left over. So he did not eat all of them. So I would set up the problem because it says there are 3/4 of the dozen left. So I know that my denominator is 4. So I need to break them up into 4 groups. And I'm going to do that this way. So I'm breaking it up into 4 groups and there's 3 in each group, okay? But now it says that there are 3/4 left. So I'm gonna cross out. This would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. If these 3 are left, it must mean that he ate this many. So our answer would be 3, okay? So our answer would be he ate 3 chocolate chip cookies because it says he ate some and we don't know how many he ate, okay? The misconception I think that students might have was they might think that they're automatically supposed to do 3/4 and they would count and say that the answer would be 9, but they're trying to trick you with this problem and it says that he ate some. It doesn't say that he ate 3/4. So you have to make sure you're answering the question correctly. All right, the next problem says Jan ran 2 1/2 miles today. Yesterday she ran 2/3 of what she ran today. How far did she run? Okay, so I'm gonna use this paper. I'm gonna start off by drawing the 2 1/2. So I'm gonna draw the model. So this represents 1 whole. This is gonna represent the 2nd whole, and then this is going to be the half. So that is 2 1/2. And it says she ran 2/3 of it. So then I'm gonna take this and then I'm going to separate it in 2/3. Okay, I'm gonna separate into thirds and it says 2/3. So I'm gonna shade in 1 and 2/3, okay? And then the overlapping part, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. But remember, we're dealing with thirds, so we need to think about how many that would be to get the answer. So this was honestly a little bit confusing for me, but when you do it, you need to make sure that your answer is the overlapping part after you split them. So I color them in, and so after I color them in, I need to count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then out of that,